Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model Y mirror. First, ensure your vehicle is powered off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a new mirror assembly. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful replacement process. Always prioritize safety and consult your owner's manual if you have any questions. To begin, gently remove the door panel to expose the mirror's mounting bolts and wiring. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the interior. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the mirror. Finally, use a 10mm socket to unbolt the 3 fasteners holding the mirror assembly to the door frame. Support the mirror as you remove the last bolt. Now, carefully route the new mirror's electrical harness through the opening in the door. Align the new mirror assembly with the mounting points and securely fasten the 3 bolts using your 10mm socket. Remember not to over-tighten. Reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they click firmly into place. This step is vital for proper mirror function. With the new mirror installed, carefully reattach the door panel and any other trim pieces you removed. Power on your vehicle and thoroughly test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and heating, to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, clean the mirror surface to remove any smudges or fingerprints, ensuring optimal visibility for your drives. You've successfully changed your Model Y mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.